This song right here is dedicated to any man out there that has done a woman wrong and regrets it. But it's just too late to go back in time and fix problems that you've already committed. Yeah, it's so sad that I did you so wrong. Now I'm sitting here writing you the song straight from the dome. Man, I miss you, girl. I can't even lie. I think about every second, every minute of the day that we had together forever. Thinking about what we could have been, where we would have been now. 4 years later, baby, and you're still long gone. Man, I miss you. I just wanna hug and kiss you, hold you in my arms, and tell you that I love together forever, for all eternity. I told you, baby girl, man, me and you are meant to be. It's motherfucking pain, sitting all alone, thinking about why this rain falling from the sky. Man, I love you, I can't lie. I miss you, yeah, baby girl. I just wanna hold you next to me in my arms, with my kids by my side, walking through the park, playing and laughing, and all the things we used to do. Baby, man, I miss you. Man, come home to me.
Yeah, no dedication. She know who she is. This for you, girl. Just like this. Yeah. Just thinking about the moments we had. I don't have you by my side. I'm really sad. Heart so I'm supposed to do. I did you so baby, you know I love you. Oh, baby, never say nothing. Cause when it comes down to it, we love each other. Always gonna stand by you forever. Fuck what they say. Y'all already know. Keep it real, 100. This is true love. My heart loves you the way you love me. I'ma be honest, everything changed. I'm not the same, gone wrong ways, but I'ma be honest. I still love you the same. That will never will change. You're the one that made